Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show you how easy it is to break in your new acrylic brushes. My pan and nail brush finally came in the mail and I'm super excited to try it. I heard nothing but good things. So it also came a little banged up, but that's alright as long as the brush wasn't damaged. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out the box. I also bought it in a number 10, and sorry if y'all hear something in the background, that's my boyfriend and my son. So anyway, make sure you guys have your warm bowl of water and a small little dapping dish with monomer, not too much, you don't want to waste it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this plastic off, and if you notice your brush always comes like a little bit hard, that's because there's starch on it to keep the shape. So we're gonna just go ahead and flick that off. Alrighty, just like that. And then we're going to go ahead and just put our brush in the warm water, swish it around each way, wipe it on your paper towel, and then we're going to repeat that one more time. And if you can see, as I am drying my brush on the paper towel, where it says Panna or Kalinsky, I'm just rubbing my hand down the brush, making it flat, and just pinching it to the shape that I want, because I like my brushes really flat. And here I'm just dipping my brush in the monomer, and then doing the same process, pushing it in the monomer and then lightly brushing it on the paper towel. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and oh yeah, so you're just gonna rub your brush to dry it on the paper towel, and still keeping it to that flat shape because you're just pressing it down. And then here I'm just making sure it feels right in my hand. And that's pretty much it, you guys. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, let me know in the comments. I want to make a video on how to keep and restore your brushes, so that will be soon. So yeah guys, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Krista's Creations. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.